Hey everyone, welcome to a quick demo of the Action Engine. So this application is natively integrated into the FXN SuperSwarm, and the idea of it is to basically have all of the agents that you've subscribed to from the SuperSwarm dashboard here. The idea is to bring them into an application so they can start doing work for you. So you can see on the left-hand side here, these are the agents that I've subscribed to from the SuperSwarm. This one here, token info provider, you can see it right here. So this is an agent that I set up for this demo. It integrates into the Jupyter verified list, as well as a couple of other sources to basically verify the provenance of token tickers. So you'll see why that's relevant in a second here as we work through this. So the SuperSwarm, it's based on what I call teams. So teams are groups of agents that you set up to perform a particular task. I'll walk you through how teams work with an example. So let's set up a team that's job is to extract alpha from a Telegram group. So let's just call this Telegram alpha. So every team needs a good prompt. I have my prompt saved here. Let me just grab it. All right, so here is my team prompt. Basically, I'm telling the project manager, which is a member of every team, how it should route events within the team. So this team is going to have two different members. One of the members will be that token info provider, and another one will be a topic analyzer. And we'll use the topic analyzer to extract the topics from the Telegram messages. So let me just show you how that works. We start by getting the Telegram messages from our list of integrated sources. Telegram messages are here. If you're a member of our Telegram group, you may have noticed the Action Engine bot getting added to the FXN official Telegram. This is the purpose. It grabs the data out of our Telegram group. And then in the team agent side, this is where we can add the different agents from the SuperSwarm, or we can create a new agent to do that intermediate processing. So this is an agent that I'm creating directly in the Action Engine. I have this saved as well. So this agent is the topic analyzer. Its job is just to extract topics from Telegram messages and then return them as a list. So the way you set this up is just by adding an API key and providing a prompt. Okay, so now let's hit save on this agent. And you can see that agent is immediately created and it's available to be added to the team. So let's add it over to the team. So since this agent is going to be taking events from Telegram and then generating new events, we're going to say here that this agent is adding events to the event pipeline. So the data flow is from Telegram to the topic analyzer and then to the token info provider. And that's just the same thing that we specified here in plain English. So now that this team is ready to go, we can just hit save and we can see the team is ready to go. And you can see there's this Telegram alpha team with two agents in it. So perfect. All right, so now that we have our team set up, we can cut over to the team's event feed. So the event feed is where all of the different events from the data sources we configured when we set up the team will land. So since I subscribe to Telegram, let's go ahead and generate some Telegram messages. So this is a Telegram group where I've added the Action Engine bot. This bot is what listens for all of the messages. So let's say something in here spicy, like for instance, Trump just launched a coin. So we can immediately see that event appears in the Telegram alpha group. And we can also see the Action Engine kind of nicely structures it after a brief delay. The reason we did it that way is because this system can take in events from pretty much anywhere. So we wanted to make sure the structuring was dynamic. So now that this event is in the queue, it's going to be processed by our team in the order that we specified in our original prompt. So our project manager behind the scenes is basically saying, for this new event that just landed in the team, who's the right person to handle it? So there we go. Looks like the event was properly routed to the agent, and the agent extracted the topics. So that processing happened by the topic analyzer, just as we specified, and the topics were pulled out as Trump and coin, which sounds about right. So the next thing that should happen is this event should be routed to the token info provider, who should tell us if there are any tokens that are related to these topics that are being discussed in our group. Okay, there we go. It just came in. Okay, so the agent token provider just came in with telling us the matches. looks like it's telling us that actually, yes, Trump did launch a coin. And there it is. So we've gone from a Telegram message that is just describing something that happened, to a topic analyzer that extracted the topics, and finally to our SuperSwarm agent that can tell us if there are any tokens related to the topic being discussed in Telegram. So this is just the start. There's obviously many, many use cases for something like this. This was just a quick demo to show you the kind of things that can be done and what's to come in the future. Thanks for watching.